Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve SEO audits with Screaming Frog, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Screaming Frog and ensure it is installed on your computer. Enter the URL of the website you want to audit in the search bar. Click on the Start button to begin the crawl. Wait for the software to finish loading all the pages. Once the crawl is complete, navigate to the Internal tab to view all internal links. Analyze the status codes for each page. Identify any pages with 404 errors or other issues. Select the External tab to review outbound links. Check for any broken external links that may affect SEO. Next, visit the Meta Description tab to ensure each page has a unique meta description. Evaluate the length of each meta description to see if they are within the recommended limit. Move on to the Title tab to review page titles for SEO best practices. Look for duplicate titles or titles that are too short. Use the H1 tab to check if each page has an H1 tag. Confirm that there are no duplicate H1 tags. Examine the Images tab to identify any missing alt text. Make a note of images that are too large and may slow down the page load speed. Use the Response Codes tab to assess the health of your website. Focus on any pages that return a 500 error code. Check the Redirects tab for any incorrect or excessive redirects. Analyze the Sitemaps section to ensure your XML sitemap is properly configured. Export your findings by clicking on the Export button. Review the exported data in a spreadsheet for easier analysis. Prioritize the issues by severity and create an action plan for improvements. Revisit the website after implementing changes to evaluate their impact on SEO performance. Continue to conduct regular SEO audits to maintain optimal site health. This method will enhance your SEO efforts and improve overall website performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.